Promoting more affiliate products should give you more opportunities to make sales. But for most beginners, it does exactly the opposite. Every new product changes your message, divides your attention, and gives your audience another decision to make. And confused people rarely buy. In this video, I'll show you why promoting fewer products can generate more trust and give you a simple 5-part test for choosing the one offer that deserves your attention first. Let's begin with the mistake that causes everything else. When you promote too many products, your message keeps changing. On Monday, you publish a video about a funnel builder. On Wednesday, you promote an artificial intelligence tool. On Friday, you review a traffic program. Then you introduce a business opportunity, an autoresponder, a course, and 3 more tools. Each product might be useful. The problem is that your audience cannot determine what you actually help people accomplish. Are you helping beginners generate leads? Are you helping them create content? Are you helping them choose a business? Or are you simply promoting whatever product is in front of you that day? Your audience needs to associate you with one clear problem. If every video leads in a different direction, that association never forms. Viewers may watch one video, but they have little reason to return because they don't know what they'll get next. This is why choosing a target audience is not enough. You also need a consistent promise. My promise, for example, is to help overwhelmed beginners understand affiliate marketing, generate leads, and build a simple business without hype or constant program hopping. That promise gives me a filter. If a product doesn't help that particular person move toward that particular result, it probably doesn't belong in the center of my business. Your filter may be different, but without one, every affiliate offer looks like an opportunity, and your business slowly becomes a collection of unrelated promotions. The second problem is choice overload. Affiliate marketers often believe that more choices provide more value. If this product isn't right for someone, I'll give them 5 alternatives. That sounds helpful, but imagine visiting a doctor with one painful problem. The doctor gives you 5 different prescriptions and says, they're all pretty good. Pick whichever one you like. Would you feel helped? Probably not. You would wonder which one the doctor actually believed was right for you. The same thing happens when an affiliate marketer recommends several competing solutions. One video says, this is the best funnel builder. The next video introduces another funnel builder. Then an email recommends a third one because it has a special promotion. The audience begins asking a question you never intended to create. If Joe keeps changing his recommendation, why should I trust any of them? That doesn't mean you can never discuss more than one product. It means every recommendation needs a clear role. Your audience should understand which product is your primary recommendation, who it is for, and when an alternative would make more sense. Clarity builds confidence. Too many unexplained choices create hesitation. The third problem is divided effort. Every product you promote requires work. You need to understand it. You need to create useful content around it. You need to answer questions. You need to demonstrate how it works. You need to follow up with interested prospects. And you need to remain familiar with any changes to the product. If you promote 10 products, can you honestly provide that level of support for all 10? Most beginners cannot, and I couldn't either. Instead, each offer receives a little attention, but none receives enough attention to produce momentum. You publish one review, place your affiliate link below it, and move to the next opportunity. When the first product doesn't produce an immediate result, you assume the offer is the problem. But the audience may have needed several useful interactions before making a decision. You left before trust had time to develop. This brings us to the fourth problem, shallow authority. People don't need another person who can read a product's features list. They need someone who understands their problem and can help them decide what to do next. That level of authority develops through repetition and depth. When you stay focused on one primary problem and one primary path, you can create videos that answer every important question surrounding it. You can explain who the solution is for. You can explain who should avoid it. You can demonstrate individual features. You can address common concerns. You can compare alternatives honestly. You can show beginners what to do before and after joining. Now, you aren't simply dropping an affiliate link. You are building a useful body of information around a decision your audience is already considering. That is very different from promoting the same product aggressively in every video. Focus doesn't mean pitching constantly. Focus means solving many related problems that naturally lead toward one appropriate solution. So how do you choose which affiliate product deserves that position? Use this 5-part test. First, does the offer solve the central problem your audience has? Not a minor problem, not a problem they might have someday. The central problem that repeatedly brings them to your content. If your audience consists of overwhelmed affiliate marketing beginners, their central problem probably isn't a lack of products. It may be a lack of direction, a lack of leads, or the absence of a simple system they can understand. Your primary offer should connect directly to that central need. Second, do you understand and genuinely believe in the product? You should know what it does, what it does not do, and what someone will still need to contribute personally. If you feel uncomfortable answering honest questions about it, it should not be your primary recommendation. Third, does it provide a logical next step after your content? The offer should feel like a continuation of the help you're already providing. If a viewer watches a video about simplifying affiliate marketing and then encounters an unrelated product pitch, the path feels broken. The recommendation should make sense because of the topic, not merely because you can earn a commission. Fourth, can you create at least 20 genuinely useful content ideas connected to the problem it solves? Notice that I said content ideas, not 20 different sales pitches. Can you answer beginner questions? Correct common mistakes? Demonstrate processes? Compare approaches? Share lessons? If you cannot create useful content around the problem, it will be difficult to build authority around the solution. Fifth, can you promote it honestly without exaggerated promises? You should not need unrealistic income claims, fake urgency, or unsupported guarantees to make the offer appealing. A sustainable affiliate business is built on accurate expectations and earned trust. If an offer passes all 5 parts of that test, it may deserve to become your primary offer. But choosing one primary offer does not mean you must promote one product forever. It means you build one clear path before creating additional paths. There's an important difference between a primary offer and a useful supporting tool. For example, your primary offer might provide the main training or business system. An email service, content tool, or hosting platform might support that system. Those supporting tools can still be recommended when they are relevant. The mistake is treating every tool like the main destination. Think of your business as a road. Your audience needs one clearly marked destination. Supporting tools can be useful stops along that road, but they shouldn't send viewers driving in 5 different directions. Here is your action plan for the next 30 days. Choose one audience. Choose one recurring problem that audience wants to solve. Choose one primary offer that provides a logical next step. Then create 4 connected videos addressing different parts of that same problem. Do not spend those 4 videos repeatedly pitching the product. Teach, answer questions, correct mistakes, build understanding. And when the offer is relevant, invite the viewer to take the next step. At the end of 30 days, review the evidence. Which videos attracted the right viewers? Which questions generated comments? Which topics held attention? Which viewers moved to the next step? That information is much more valuable than joining another program simply because it looks exciting. If you're ready to stop jumping between opportunities and start building one simple affiliate marketing system, watch my free masterclass at homebizsimple.com. I'll also place the link in the description below. In my next video, I'll show you how to choose the right affiliate offer when several products appear to solve the same problem. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Remember, more affiliate products do not automatically create more opportunities. Without a clear message, they create more confusion. Choose one audience, solve one central problem, and build one trustworthy path. Okay? Okay.